Hello everyone, my name is Andrea. I'm executive chef here in Swiss Grand Nanchang. I live in China for almost 13 years and I'm in this beautiful city for almost 2 years. I love everything around here. People, foods, and so many beautiful old places. We are near Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year will start soon. And everybody is very excited, is very happy for this moment. I introduce to you in Chinese we used to say, this is our lucky tree. They make us rich. We believe it make us rich. Now we give life to him because he deserves. This is a very traditional tree used in China for near Chinese New Year to give good luck to everyone and to their own family. Now I will show you something to eat, something very good only for you, for Nanchang. I can see. Come in. Today me and Joe is my assistant for already 2 years. He's a very good friend of mine. We will make a special dumpling. It's our Chinese New Year wishes to all of you. We will use some Italian very good Italian products. We're going to fill our bag. Now we make our traditional Italian dumpling. Okay? For make this dumpling, I use the Chinese dumpling skin. We have the dumpling, we put some egg on top, we put some filling on the center. Okay. Shinagazzu. Now waiting for 2 minutes, 2 minutes only, very very fast, don't forget. For our restaurant, doesn't matter which dish you do. Today we make very simple New Year dumpling, but it's very important how you present, because this is your business card, especially for New Year. Everyone is happy, you have an extra, wow! This is very important. Put your heart in what you do. This is very, very important. The food is ready. Okay. This is our New Year dumpling. I specially make for all of you. And in China I find many beautiful things. You know, I find love. I have 3 beautiful kids and I have a beautiful job. I living in a beautiful city like Nanchang. Nanchang take me for over 2 years as a son-in-law, and have a beautiful, beautiful moment. I wish you all of you a happy year of the rabbit, and I wish you always to be happy and healthy. Happy New Year, and let me try my dumpling because I'm scary they are not tasting good. 试一下。 哦，真的好吃，真的好吃。If you did you learn it? Try at home. This is fantastic. Bye.